In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut in Fusion 360. We'll walk through the simplest, most reliable way to remove material from a solid body using a sketch and a cut extrude. This method is perfect for holes, pockets, slots, or any custom profile you want to carve out. First, create the sketch that defines the shape of your cut. Click on the face of the object where you want the cut to begin and start a new sketch on that face. Make sure you're looking straight at the face so your sketch lands exactly where you intend. Now draw the profile of the cut. For a hole, place a circle and position it using snap points like midpoints or center points for accuracy. If you want a precise size or location, apply dimensions or constraints while sketching so the cut is fully controlled and predictable. When the shape looks right, finish the sketch to exit sketch mode and return to the solid workspace. Next, start the extrude tool. Press the E key on your keyboard to launch it and open the extrude dialog. With the tool active, click the profile you just sketched so Fusion 360 knows which region you want to affect. The selected area should highlight, confirming your selection. Now create the cut by pulling the blue arrow into the body. Click and drag the arrow in the direction that goes into the solid. As soon as you drag inward, you'll notice the operation in the dialog switches automatically to cut and the preview turns red. That red preview represents the material that will be removed. If it doesn't switch to cut for any reason, just set operation to cut in the dialog to force a removal instead of adding material. You can drag farther to increase the depth or enter an exact distance if you know the value you need. Keep an eye on the preview to ensure the cut reaches the intended depth and doesn't remove more than you want. If multiple sketch regions should be cut at the same time, select all of them before dragging, and if the arrow seems to move the wrong way, orbit the view slightly and try again so you're pulling straight into the body. That's the complete process. Sketch the shape on the target face, finish the sketch, start an extrude, select the profile, and drag inward to cut with a clear red preview. With this workflow, you can quickly remove material with confidence and precision in Fusion 360.